welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Junior Yusuf, and by the end of this video you should be able to create your own ringing tone for your iPhone. To create a ringing tone on your own for your iPhone, and it's safe. So install iTunes. I'm using Mozilla Firefox. Download and install iTunes, then download and install 3U2s. It's free to download. Install 3U2s. Then after installing 3U2s, plug your iPhone using the USB lightning cable, I mean original one. So I'm plugging my iPhone. I'm using iPhone 6s. Okay, after plugging your iPhone, you land 3U2s. It will display your iPhone for you here. Then these are not necessary for now. We want to change ringtone. Then just follow the procedure. Toolbox. So after clicking on toolbox, you search for make a ringtone. Okay, make ringtone. Then from here we can either upload it from the PC or the phone itself. So I'm uploading from the PC, my desktop. So from PC, location is desktop. Then this is what I want to use as my ringtone. Then I can go on and open it. You can trade it as well. So basically that's how to change your iPhone ringing tone. Thanks for clicking this video.